Hey everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel. What's with all the random craft?
Right? All of these
and pieces here.
Yep, we have straws, we have Chanel stems or pipe cleaners.
And what are these things?
These are really teeny tiny brads.
Oh, okay. Now
Yeah.
I see. I thought they were like pins at first.
They
Oh,
look
those
like
are
pins.
some two
We're going to
super
need
tiny
scissors
brads.
here and ruler.
And what do you do with all this?
We are going to make something very, very cool. We're going to make you see it?
It's a straw dude.
It's a straw dude. We're going to call the straw dude Straw Gymnastics person.
Oh, cool. He goes up and around.
Right? You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to
How about
try
you
it. How do I?
Just sort of twist it, just like.
Oh, I twist these straws.
Just twist the two bendy straws.
Oh, check that
Yes,
out.
and it's going to do flips.
That is so cool.
Isn't that like the coolest thing ever?
That is super cool. Whoop,
Yep.
whoop. Oh, sorry, I got the brads everywhere. This is so neat.
Needles, right?
And it's just like, I see some wire here that makes his joints.
The head is the
And that's the Chanel stems.
The brads are what connecting the. This is gonna remain.
Yeah, this is like his parallel bar or whatever it's called.
Bar,
I don't
but
do
that
gymnast stuff.
Right, I don't do gymnastic stuff either. But yeah.
But I can do gymnast stuff with him.
Oh yeah, sure.
That's cool.
Yep.
And there's bendy straws and straight straws.
Yep.
This is so neat. I'm gonna do it one more time.
One more time. Woo!
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if we can get a good picture of him.
Yeah.
He is super cool. I like it a lot. And it's so simple. And
Very simple.
I know I have straws. I know I have
Yep.
Chanel stems.
Yep.
Super easy stuff that I already have in my house. So I'm gonna
Wires.
Yep.
Very easy wires.
I think I need to
simple wires.
go make one myself.
Okay.
Awesome. If you guys like this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, you can subscribe down below for more. And can we leave some instructions down there?
Yes,
for
we
them
will.
Too? Okay, we'll put
Yes,
some
we will.
instructions for the straw gymnast down in the
You
description
gotta
as
check
well.
us out. Hands on Science.
See you next time, guys.
Bye.